So today we're going to solve problem solving and estimation. Estimate to solve the word problem. A lot of word problems can be solved just by estimating, rounding to the nearest thousand or hundred. Now a lot of times when you're on that multiple choice SOL, you can eliminate some of the answers by just estimating. So let's look at this problem. Trinidad organized a bike race that was 57 miles long. 198 riders completed the race. How many miles were biked in all? Choose the better estimate. So our options are 12,000 and 16,000. What it wants you to do here is not use the calculator and not do double-digit multiplication. It just wants you to estimate. So 57, what could we estimate that closest to? 50 or 60? Well, I would say 60, okay? 198, what could we estimate that closest to? 190 or 200? Well, I would say 200. Now, you have a simple multiplication problem. You can get rid of the zeros, so they're going to stay the same, right? And so what do you think? You have 3 zeros, so 3 zeros down here. So what do we think? 6 times 2. Oh, we can do that. 12,000. That's a better estimation. Let's look at the next problem. A hydroelectric plant uses water to create electricity. Before water enters the plant, it passes through several filters. In one filter, engineers found 274 sticks. 274. And 287 other pieces of litter. About how many objects were in that filter? So, choose the better estimate. So we found 274 sticks. What do you think that's closest to? I think it's close to 300. Remember, we're rounding by the last digit. Hundreds, 10,000, thousands. I think it's closest to 300. And 287 other pieces of litter. Again, 287 is closest to 200 or 300. Closest to 300. How many did we have in all? I think we have 600 is a better estimate. So here's another one. There was an oil spill in a coral reef. As a result, it cost the oil company a combined total of $8,862 to clean up and repairs. So let's write that number. The repairs alone cost $5,939. Let's write that number. About how much money did the cleanup cost? So this is our total right here. And this is our repair right here. So let's round. Ready? 8,862. Let's round to the nearest thousand. Close to 8,000, close to 9,000. I think it's close to 9,000. 5,939. Closer to 5,000 or closer to 6,000? I think it's closer to 6,000. I'm rounding by my thousand. And so now it's going to ask me to do a basic subtraction. 9 minus 6 is 3. Carry down my zeros. 3,000 is the better estimate. Last problem. The library has 69,130 books. So let's write down that really big number. 69,130. If each shelf holds 7 books, about how many shelves would a library need to hold all of its books? Ooh, so we have a big total and then 7 books on a shelf. So let's round. Ready? 69,000 is closest to 70,000. So 70,000 divided by 7 books. How many shelves do you think? Well, get rid of the zeros. 70 divided by 7 is just 10. Now add those zeros back down. 10,000 shelves. So there we go. Problem solving using estimation. Estimation will help us eliminate those distractors on the multiple choice test so we can focus on which one is closest. Okay?